In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a video on Steam. To get started, it's important to know that Steam doesn't upload videos directly in the same way some social platforms do. Instead, Steam shares videos through a linked YouTube account. So before you do anything inside Steam, the first step is to make sure your video is uploaded to YouTube. If your video isn't on YouTube yet, go ahead and upload it there first, since Steam will pull the video from that account. Once your video is ready on YouTube, open Steam and go to your profile. This is where you'll manage the content that appears publicly on your account, including videos. Inside your profile, look for the videos section and click on it. If you haven't connected YouTube before, you should see an option that says Link YouTube Account. Select that option to begin connecting the two accounts. Steam will prompt you to sign into your YouTube account and allow access. Just follow the on-screen instructions carefully. This permission is necessary so Steam can view the videos on your YouTube account and let you choose which ones to display on your profile. Make sure you sign in to the correct YouTube account, especially if you manage more than one channel, so the right videos appear later. After your YouTube account is linked, the next part is adding the video to Steam. If you uploaded the video to YouTube just moments ago, give it a little time in case it needs to finish processing before Steam can detect it. Now head back to Steam, return to Profile, then Videos, and click Manage Videos. This area lets you choose from the videos available through your connected YouTube account. Find the YouTube video you want to share and select it. You may also see an option to choose the game the video is related to. That part is optional, but it can be helpful if you want the video to be associated with a specific title on Steam and make it easier for viewers to understand the context. Once everything looks right, click Add Videos to Profile. Steam will then add that selected YouTube video to your profile so others can view it from your videos section. If the video doesn't appear right away, don't worry. Sometimes it takes a short moment for Steam to refresh and display newly linked content. The main things to check are that the video is uploaded to YouTube, your YouTube account is correctly linked, and you selected the right video in Manage Videos, and that's how to post a video on Steam.